Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Arendo electric kettle here with 1.5 liter. It's a cordless energy saving due to temperature control from 40 degrees Celsius up to 100 degrees Celsius. And it keep warm function. BPA free, that means no plastic. Stainless steel, fast boil, automatic shut off kettle with 2200 watt power. In gray, the Arendo ELEGANT says standards in terms of user convenience and functionality. It is particularly attractive for all us users who are take care about a high quality product in terms of the health. 305037 here. The Arendo ELEGANT kettle is BPA free. It does not release any microplastic particles, and it is therefore particularly eco-friendly and health conscious. The inner housing is made of food-safe SUS SAE 304 stainless steel. The Arendo ELEGANT heats the water in a short time thanks to its powerful 2200 watt motor. The temperature is finely adjustable in 5 degree steps in the range from 40 degrees Celsius up to 100. In addition, the set button enables us to access temperatures of 40, 60, 80 and 100 degrees. The Arendo ELEGANT uses a temperature sensor to achieve exactly the value we enter or we need. A keep warm function maintains the selected temperature for more than 30 minutes, so we can zip at leisure and then refill it. And easy filling thanks to the internal level indicator. The housing with the double-walled cladding, the Arendo ELEGANT kettle gets only hand warm during boiling. And easy cleaning of the filling container thanks to the flat bottom. The bottle can be switched off, for example, to avoid waking up the baby. It's tested and certified product safety. We have easy handling device. The temperature is finely adjustable in 5 degree steps, and you can choose what you prefer, 40 degrees up to 100. In addition, the set key allows access to programmed temperatures of 40, 60, 80 and 100 degrees. And of course, BPA free is a big and nice fact here. The BPA free ELEGANT does not release microplastic particles. Because the inner housing is made of food-safe stainless steel, so it is not possible to make microplastic in the device. And of course, a big safety thing. The double wall design protects us from burn on the outer wall. The benefit from a high level of safety with automatic shut off, dry heat protection and overheating protection too. That means high quality, essential for our health. The Arendo ELEGANT kettle is developed with a focus on maximum health compatibility. Arendo ELEGANT is BPA free and does not release any microplastic particles. The temperature sensor is not located inside, but underneath the kettle housing. This also makes it easier to clean. And constellated heating elements, easy cleaning. Buzzer can be switched on and off. The base station with particle cable storage, with LED display, with temperature indication during the boiling operation, and keep warm function for 30 minutes. And it's really nice looking. The height is 24.5 centimeters, the width is 22 centimeters with the handle. The diameter is 15.2 centimeters, the length of the power cord is approximately 70 centimeters, the weight is 1,200 gram, and the kettle plus 230 gram base. The color here is a gray black. You can also get it in another color as you like. I like the gray thing a little bit more, but silver is also on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.